fucking truck.
Alright, welcome back to the Ozone, everybody. Cut this light on so we get some box action. A little bit of label action. Focus. This is the Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG black, metallic, and silver. AKA the silver toes. Got a whole bunch of these shoes recently. I got one pair for my collection. I'm going to unload the rest. I won't be able to wear this shoe. So it doesn't really matter. I think I'm going to start downsizing all the shoes that I'll never be able to wear to one pair. Because I'll never have a staring pair. The materials on this shoe are pretty decent. This is a women's size 11, so I'm going to be selling this pair if you're interested. This is a men's 9.5. So let me know. Got a whole bunch. All sizes. This one I'm going to give a discount on because the box is a little bit messed up. And there's a small scratch on the back. And we add that in the video in case people who are going to buy the shoe see this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the little scratch is right there. Knock off $10 for the scratch. This is one of my favorite Jordan silhouettes. It makes me mad that they don't make this Jordan in my size. Like I said, for everybody who has the little feet, be thankful. If you're able to get shoes that most of us can only dream of, like I said, you get an extra pair of metallic silver laces. Black laces come in the shoe. Black toe box, silver cap, white tumbled leather to a black Nike swoosh, to the back, metallic silver. It's just an all-around great shoe. Same on this side, metallic silver, leather upper. It being a Jordan 1 High, like I said, it's made of premium materials. Everything feels and looks top notch, except for, like I said, this one came with a scratch on it, but that's okay. All the other ones I got are perfect, so I can't complain. I bought about 20, 30 pairs, so one comes bad. So I guess it's the price of doing business. See a little bit of forefront. That's that silver toe they love. Nike Air on the top. Extra pair of silver laces. Let me let you guys see what it's going to look like when it's on your feet. Alright, let's get on with the next shoe. Alright, let's get on with this next shoe. They got a new style of women's low coming out. Maybe they were doing it in the men's too. I haven't looked at any. This is my first pair of the new style lows. Not spectacular. You see this white and gold normal women's Jordan box. Getting you some label action. The shoe reads Women's Air Jordan Low SE Utility white, black, and gem red. Alright guys, we're going to open this together. I hope the quality is decent. Shoot up here, let me cut this light out so we do it without the light first. Shoot up here, materials. All seems to be a canvas material. I'm going to start off by giving you some top action because this is the new part of the shoe. It has a little 23 on the tongue. New tongue period. See the toe. Not a bad shoe. I have these available as well. This is a women's 11 as well, which is again a men's 9.5. So if you're interested in this shoe, I have a bunch of them for sale. Let me know. I'm going to be posting on Instagram, Facebook, etc. And they'll be going on for sale on Sunday at 6 o'clock for everybody who's a member as well. I think Mondays as well, we're going to start doing some special sneaker sales. Make sure you guys sub. Hopefully get a subscription. Only going to be taking yearly memberships. We're going to be getting tons of shoes in, guys. Most of our shoes are going to go for retail plus shipping, handling. And so whoever drops them off at the post office can earn some cash. Make most of our cash by cleaning, authenticating the shoes now. Don't really need to sell any, but I'm going to still sell shoes. I try to always have the lowest prices available. That's our guarantee. Lower than StockX, eBay, GOAT. Also, for everybody who's been selling on eBay, they're going to start charging fees again, so you guys might want to transfer them over too. But definitely, if you guys are interested in these new Jordan lows, I have them available. I'll give you guys another look what's going to be on your foot. In my opinion, not a bad shoe. I got the men's version right over here. I'm going to bust that out the box. That'll be our next one. It's not the same colorway as this. It's just a new style low. I'll give you guys a look at the back because that's what everybody's interested in as well. Give you guys a little bit of top action with the light on, and we'll move on because this is the new features of these shoes. All right, guys, let's get on with the next shoe. All right, guys, let's get this last shoe over with. Get you guys a little bit of box action. Let it focus. Here we go again, guys. This is the Air Jordan 1 Low SE. White, medium, olive, light curry. I don't know what they're calling these on the net, but that's not it. I think it's the orange melons they're calling this on the net. Not a bad shoe. Seems to be canvas materials. I got a little linty on mine. Not a bad shoe, suede. All the way around. Let me get this light out. Sorry, guys. Not a bad shoe. I'll move it down a bit for you guys so you can get a good view. All canvas and suede. There's no leather on this shoe. It's a suede on the orange. Canvas material on the brown. I guess this is the melon or whatever they're calling it on the Nike swoosh. Not a bad Jordan. I checked the resale on these. They're going for way higher than I expected them to go, so I never expected them to go for this much. I sold a pair for like $2 and some change. Then they went down to about $180. Had them in the store, I think, for the first day. They were like $110, I think, for this shoe. I can't remember. It was either $100 or $110. Then I got some in the mail. Get an extra pair of, I guess this is the green melon laces. Let me see what they're calling this green real quick, guys. Olive, medium olive, they're calling it. And the other color is light curry. So let's do this. You also, like I said, you guys know how I feel about it. You get the gum bottoms. Gum bottom is always a good feature for a shoe. Like I said, this Jordan, I can't really see you messing it up. I believe if you just rejuvenate or whatever you use to water and stain protect your shoes on the suede, you should be okay. Canvas will take care of itself. So this is a Jordan that you'll probably be able to wear for many summers. Like I said, the materials on this shoe are good. My only problem with the shoe is the white midsole. You guys know I don't really like the white midsole because it's incredibly hard to clean. But if you get good at painting midsoles, it's no problem. overall, like I said, if you can match this Jordan, I see this Jordan being another one that's good for school kids. So if you're in school and you have to wear that little light brown outfit, this is good for you. Guys, get a little good look at it. Said not a bad Jordan 1 low. I really don't like Jordan 1 lows, but since they said they had a new style Jordan 1 low, I said I'll pick them all up. I told you guys earlier, they have the new women's and the men's. I'll give you guys a look at the shoe when it'll be on your foot. Alright guys, you know what time it is in the video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe if you already haven't. Make sure you let me know what Jordans you want to see on the show. Let me know what Jordans you guys are buying. Like I said, we're still in crazy times out there, guys. So make sure that everybody stays safe. Everybody have a nice day. Everybody fucking jump!